This video will guide you through creating a channel and adding devices for streaming in Control Hub. To create a channel, go to Streaming, Channels page. Click Add in the top right corner and enter a name for the channel. If needed, expand Advanced Settings to configure NDI stream parameters. Once the channel is created, you can add input and output devices to it. If you're using Magewell devices already registered with Control Hub, simply select them from the devices list. Multiple outputs are allowed. Click the settings icon to further configure the protocols for input and output. Now let's move on to adding unregistered Magewell devices or third-party devices. Create another channel. Add an input device and navigate to Presets tab. Here you can click Add to select a protocol and configure a new device, or choose from your existing presets. Follow the same steps to add output devices. Multiple outputs with different protocols are allowed. Alternatively, you can take advantage of the streaming links on the right for a quick setup. In Push Tag and Play Tag, you'll find automatically generated links for input and output respectively. Copy them and paste into your encoder or decoder. Once all configured, toggle the channel on and wait a few seconds for the status to update. When the channel is live, the video or audio feed will become available for preview. Click the preview to expand it or enter full screen mode. Now you can also find all your active streaming channels on dashboard. For more detailed instructions on stream conversion via Control Hub, please refer to the user manual.